Nano Babo Abalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Cunanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, it's a rainy afternoon but that doesn't stop us in discovering places for you to check out. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Agneles City, particularly along Pandan Road. So sa likod natin is called Polding's Food Stall, and if you're into, you know, street food, corn dog,
Comfort food.
yes.
So, samahan nyo kami. So, tara,
Let's go! Right, so once again guys, thanks so much for being with us in this video. Thanks so much Polding Food Stall for inviting us. In advance po, pasensya na sa medyo maingay na ambience natin dahil nasa labas talaga tayo.
Actually, nasa Pandan Road.
Yes.
So, ang pinakamalapit na landmark dito is yung city center.
And yun talaga naman yung essence ng street food eh. They
Yes.
call it street food dahil nasa daan talaga siya. Anyway, so umpisa pa lang, this is their sagot gulaman.
Ang kagandahan dito sa may Polding Food Stall is yung quality ng food nila, at the same time yung cleanliness.
Yes, exactly.
So, isa yun sa mga tinitingnan natin nowadays.
Yes, I think yun yung gustong i-commend natin sa kanila, no? Yung mismong lutuan nila, the way they, you know, serve it to the customer, they maintain the quality at the same time yung cleanliness.
Hello, ako nga pala si Paul Samiling, or mas kilala Poldings. When nag-start ako as street foods, and then suddenly nag-add ako ng corn dogs. Umpisa kinakabahan kami kasi di namin in-expect na yung tatangkilikin ng mga tao. And then nung pumatok, talagang unti-unti nag-upgrade ako ng mga gamit. Nang dumami na ng dumami yung tao, talagang nagustuhan nila yung sauce namin. In 1 year, dun nag-boom na kami. Hanggang sa nag-decide kami na mag-branch out na ng iba. As you can see, mayroon na kaming food cart, rolling cart. Meron kaming main branch namin sa Pampanga. And then meron pa kami isang pwesto dun sa Purok 6. And then ito yung pinakabago namin, yung Pandan Road.
Ako, I wanna go first with their corn dog. So, look at this guys. So, this is their French fries corn dog. Ayan. So, it's actually cheese inside.
So, I'll taste this one, yung kanilang corn dog. So, tingnan natin ano yung flavor niya.
So, meron nga ng sausage sa loob. And I'm about to try it.
Siguro yung isang corn dog na to, maubos mo lang, busog ka na.
I was about to say that sobrang laki nila guys.
So, ito pala yung kanilang full mozzarella corn dog. So, talagang makikita mo na full cheese siya, oh.
So, ito naman meron siyang sausage. Look at that.
Sa corn dogs, meron tayong 4 types of corn dog, which is meron kaming classic cheesy mozzarella, meron tayong non-spicy, tsaka spicy din. Which is ang difference niya, half sausage and half cheese. So ganun din tayo sa French fries. Ang pinagkaiba lang niya is with fries lang siya. Pero meron din tayong spicy tsaka non-spicy. And then yung pinaka best seller namin is yung full mozzarella. Puro cheese lang talaga siya.
Usually mga ganitong pagkain, ito yung mga kinakain natin pag medyo ganito yung panahon. Ito yung mga comfort food natin.
So, ikaw Mark, pag pupunta ka sa mga ganito, so usually ano yung mga ino-order mo sa cart?
Ako usually in-order ko yung mga sinasawsaw madalas sa mga suka or sa mga sauces. Like ito yung mga nasa table natin.
Yep. Now speaking of that, they have 4 kinds of sauces. Meron sweet, may spicy, meron tayo
Suka. Ito yung mansi.
So ngayon meron kaming different types of street foods. Sa siomai meron kaming 4 flavors, which is pork, beef, chicken, and shark fin. And then meron din tayong fish ball, squid ball, chicken ball, kikiam, hot dog, cheese stick, yung tinatawag nilang kwek-kwek, And then meron din tayong dynamite, tokwa, and lumpiang gulay.
Siyempre, ito yung lagi mong hinahanap-hanap pag sa street food. Itong mga lumpiang gulay.
So ako naman guys yung kanilang dynamite. Sausaw natin siya dun sa may spicy. Ah. Wow. Sarap. May cheese po sa loob.
Yes. Actually, tama nga yung tagline nila, no? Ito yung mga sarap na babalik-balikan. Sa sauce lang ang labanan.
Dahil sa sauce ang labanan.
Yes.
Aminin man natin at hindi, minsan talaga, hanapin kayo Kapampangan, may papasosota mo.
Yes.
Dahil sa mga sauce ng mga street food na pinupuntahan natin. Right, so of course, more street food guys. I wanna try now is yung kanilang mga kwek-kwek. Or sa atin, mga ebon pugu. I wanna dip it dito sa natin, sweet and spicy.
Actually, ito yung mga food na simple lang, pero masasabi mo ang sarap.
And I gotta say, good job.
Yes.
Sarap.
Mayroon kaming partner riders na ngayon, which is Maxim. Order mo, and soon food panda namin. We are open for franchising. Message nyo lang kami sa Facebook or call us dun sa number namin. Hanapin nyo lang yung Polding's Street Food Stall.
So who knows na? Coming from a humble beginning, chinagaan lang talaga ni na Sir Polding, and then now, it's a full-fledged business and lumalaki ba siya? They're open for franchising. So yeah, gotta try it, gotta check them out. Again, these are comfort food na talagang sakto-sakto sa mga ganitong panahon.
If you want to try naman na kumain dito sa mismo sa stall nila, they are located dito sa may Pandan Road. So malapit lang siya sa may city center, yung pinakakanto mismo.
Yep.
And they are open from 3 p.m. until 10 p.m. every day.
There you go. So guys, again, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Corn dog.